I'm Georgie Holbrook. What does a mentoring session with me look like? So first of all, I'm a great intuitive listener. So wherever you're at in life and you want to change or you want understanding, I'm here for you. So first of all, I'm going to listen to you. And then I'm going to do an overall evaluation with you, educating you on your body, of where you're in balance and where you're out of balance. Where do you want to go? How much better can you feel and how much joy can you put in your life? So if you're seeking healing, I'll educate you on your body. If you're seeking direction, we'll go that route also. But I'll teach you how your body breaks down, where we ignore, deny, or just don't understand the importance of how to take care of ourselves. So a lot of what I teach is self-nurturing, but at a very deep, understandable level. You see, many of us have read about what to do, but it kind of just goes over our head. This is practical. I do everything in baby steps so you don't feel overwhelmed. It's like I take you by the hand and teach you. So after we kind of get a baseline of where you're in balance, where you're out of balance, where you want to go, you'll be educated in your own body in a way that in the first session, you're going to start feeling better. I'm going to move you totally out of trial and error remedies. If you're into trying this and that didn't work and you feel helpless and hopeless, and once we start distrusting our body, we're not going to heal. So stress and trauma gets accumulated in the body, and I'll teach you how to release it. It's priceless. Totally transforms lives. And after that first session, then where are we going to go? So I do guided imagery with people, taking your mind, tapping you into your sacred self to find answers and to also do healing. So say you've been living with a lot of trauma that's accumulated in your body, you don't understand it, you've been through talk therapy, which is great, but talk therapy just keeps talking about it. And we can't talk it away. We have to understand from the neck down, we've accumulated this trauma. And it might be there for years and years and years. But it wasn't intended to be there. We were born out of pure, divine intelligence and love. And then life happens to us, right? So we all have different stories. Some people have had many surgeries, many different sufferings. But the principle is the same. The divine intelligence always wants to heal us. So I'll do guided imagery. It's gentle. It'll make sense to you. You can record it and you can listen over and over again. So one of the things I do is what I call a body prayer. And we're going to go through every area of your body and bring you back to your own sacred truth of the mechanics of this body and how it works for you rather than against you. And I work with nature. And nature has principles and it has laws that once you understand it, it's kind of like gravity, it just works. But we haven't been taught. So then another guided imagery would be like everything that's happened in your past that you want to just let go of. So it's not reliving your past. But in this guided imagery, it's taking you back into that holy space. And it will literally take whatever's been going on and accumulated internally, and we'll put it out there so it's no longer obstructing your body. And sometimes that takes more than one session. But you're going to record it, and you're going to start understanding that this body and it has an immune system, and the immune system is always wanting to work for you. And then from there, you're going to do baby steps all along the way. And if you get stuck somewhere, I'm available. I've always had mentors. mentors that were wiser than me, that could just take me by the hand and take my mind and give me the possibilities of where I can go. Our brilliant minds that haven't been always used totally for us. And then I want to teach you how your mind works. Why some prayers are answered and some prayers are not. Moving you out of doubt and any type of self-talk that's not working for you. You know those little private messages we keep rehearsing over and over again, but they keep repeating themselves in patterns and beliefs in our lives. And say you're in a really bad situation and you just don't know how to move out because you're stuck. Could be in a job, could be in a relationship, it could be family members that are not supporting you. Whatever it is, I'm always saying stop suffering. So sometimes I'll have you draw your emotions, which are very accurate, so that you can actually see what you're feeling. So life was meant to be good. And I love what I teach because it comes out of my own story, my own woundedness of having an incurable deforming disease that over 50 doctors said I would have the rest of my life, and I healed it emotionally by self-nurturing and doing away with the things in my life that were not working. That's the only way we're going to fly, like an eagle. An eagle can't have its wings tied down with rocks. And sometimes our rocks are the way we're emotionally stuck in life. So I would love to mentor you. I would love to take you wherever you're at and take that brilliant mind and create a story for you that you can share with one other person, because you're going to lead by example, or you're going to share with many people. Maybe you want to write your story. I can help you there. Maybe you just want to learn how to bless your home or bless a document that's just stuck in the system. And you'll notice, working with me, things happen for you. That's for sure, for you. You see the Sacred Heart behind me? It's all about, do I love myself enough to have a mentor? So we're caught in our own beliefs and patterns, whatever it is. Whether we're in corporate life and thinking, maybe we're self-employed, maybe we don't work at all, but we feel stuck somewhere. And just want kind of a refreshing way of looking at life. That's what I love about the work I do. I'll teach you to take your purpose and passion that you were born with, that's as unique as your fingerprints, and show you how the universe will welcome you once you understand your own self-worth and stay true to yourself. So remember, the gifts of the Spirit are being authentic. Are you being authentic? And can you even be more authentic in life where you don't have health issues? I tell people the likelihood of you ever having another surgery, if you've had other surgeries, is very unlikely once you understand nature and how this body works. So I'm all about prevention, but also about healing wherever you're at in life. I would love to be your mentor. Contact me. Together we can make a really big difference in your world. Separately, we can go on our own and just kind of flounder around, study the web, read books, but having a personal mentor that's just there for you. That's what I want. Somebody that looks in my eyes, even on Zoom, and just makes a difference in my life, where I can understand and I can practice in baby steps so I'm not overwhelmed. How to really love myself and bring out the divine intelligence that lives within me, that breathes through my lungs and beats my heart, to understand that spirit known by many names. I'm here for you. I want you to live by example of a great life. Contact me. Together, life is a dance, and it's a good one. It's a good one. Share this video. Subscribe with me on my YouTube channel, because by myself, I can't do it alone. I need folks like you that step up and say, I want to help. I want to make a difference in this world. I want the children in the future and the children in our lives right now to live by the understanding of their own bodies. From my heart to yours, I send you prayers and love from the Sacred Heart to the books. I have a whole holistic and corporate background, so I can address a lot of different things, but I'm highly intuitive and I highly love life. And I want you to be in my life. So take care. Blessings. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.